Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, that is minimum number of pushes to type a word. So if I read the problem description, what you're given is number of is a keypad where the numbers are arranged, and then you have to find out for a given word what is going to be minimum number of pushes. A couple of things that to note here is that the keys like 1 star hash and 0 cannot be used, so that's this one cannot be used. Also only available numbers is from 2 to 9, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now for a given input string, let's say word, so let's take an example. Let's say word is A B C D E, right? Now for this given word, if I look at this keypad, based on this keypad, how many presses will be required uh, so that we can type this particular word. So for example, for A, so I can just press one time A so that I'll get the A character. But for the B, I need to press twice, so I get B character. For C, I'll have to press twice, and for D, I'll have to press again one time, and for E, I have to press twice. So if I add all these things, so that is something number of times I'll have to press it. So 1 2 3 2 3 to 5 6 7 7 plus 2 9, right? So 9 presses will be required in order to type this word based on this particular keypad. But there is a condition given here that you are allowed to remap the each character. So it's just that it's not that you just have to follow this particular uh, format, you can always remap it. So if I have to minimize, definitely if the minimum possible is only if I press only one time each character, then that will be 1 2 3 4 5. Within 5 presses I should be able to write this keyword, but for that I'll have to reshuffle. So I'll have to bring, so A is already at the front, I'll have to bring B at the front. Let's say I for transfer B here, C at the front, D at the front, and then E at the front, right? So I'll have to basically bring all the characters at the front so that I can, with the minimum presses, I can type the word. But there is a condition, right? I cannot, so in the English character we had only 26 letters, total 26 letters. I cannot keep all the character at the front. So only available slot will be only starting from 2 to 8, 2 to 9. So that is first 8 character can be pressed, can be written with the one press. So we have total 26 character. Next 26 character, next 8 character, which will be subsequent character, can be written with the 2 press, right? And then third will be written with the 3 press. So how many remaining? 8 3s are 24, 2 more remaining, right? 26 total. So next two will require 4 presses, correct? Remaining 2. So that's a total number. So if you add it, so this is maximum possible keys, maximum presses will be required to type 26 character. Alright, so let's take example. For example, if I take another one here, so for example this one they have given like A B C D E. So they are saying if I map A at the front, one push will be required, and then one push required. Let's say if I start remapping this one A B C D E, so only one push will be required to achieve at the 5. So that is the minimum cost. Same thing if I go down for the other example, the another example is this. So first 8 character I can achieve with the one push, but remaining character I'll have to map it to the second position of the key. So that will require 2 pushes, and that if you sum it up it will become 12 if I reorder this. So that's just a problem statement here, and it's can be confusing initially. I mean, if you think about how do we solve the problem, but if you see the only possible length of the word is 26, and word is consists of only lower English letters, so there is not going to be any capital or something. So one other thing is, we know to achieve the minimum cost we have to have the minimum presses. If it is within the range of 1 to 8, then it is just going to be one press for each character. But it is going beyond 1 to 8, then I have to double the number of press. If going beyond 8, which is 16, then I have to triple the number of press, and likewise till it reaches to 26. So let's try to write the code for it. It's quite simple actually, but it could be initially challenging to think. So at the end, what we need is a cost, so I just gonna return the cost at the end, and then I need to traverse each string. So based on, I need to know how many characters are there, right? So that's going to be length of word, right? And as soon as I press any word, I'll be increasing the cost. So initially I'll start with press with 1, and as soon as I reaches the 8th character, now I know that all the first slot has been filled. Then I need to increase the number of press, because then I want pressing at one time. I'll be pressing it 2 times. Let's say this becomes, so then I have to increase the press by 1, because then I'll be using the second position, right? One more thing here, since start from 0, so I'll have to start from 1 here, and then I'll go from 1 to here. That's our code. Let's see if this works. There's no bug. Yep, that's passes the test. Yeah, this works fine. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.